Alright, so rest day. I'm gonna take you with me for lunch. Okay, so it's about 2 to 3 minute walk from my home to lunch. Not too bad. All right, it was fine. Food was fine. Now let's see how long I have to walk from to home. My home is there. It's now 11:16. Boom. All right, now it's time for me to do some 3D modeling with Autodesk 3ds Max. Gonna do a school project. By the way, this is my desktop setup. Alright, so this is what I modeled. I'm quite satisfied with it. We got some Shrek going on, got some Kevin PC, got some Meske and Club stuff, and of course Barcelona Ravel. Right, making some dinner, some leftover macaroni casserole, added 2 eggs. Alright, so here's my food. It doesn't look too good, but I guarantee it's delicious. Otherwise, been really productive day. I've studied a lot, done a lot of work. Yep. See you tomorrow. Good morning, it's 7 AM. I'm really not looking forward to today's training. I have so much else going on, like a bunch of school stuff. But this ain't no hobby, this ain't no game, this is a fucking lifestyle. Stay hard. I'm gonna fucking do it. It's now 10:46. I'm eating breakfast. I just came from my class and I'm preparing for leaving before my run. I'm gonna run to the swimming hole, hit the gym, swim, and come back home. It's windy as fuck. Oh shit. I'm not enjoying this, I can tell you that. Who's going to carry the boats? I'm gonna carry them. Already feeling better. If you're not feeling good, if you're feeling like poopy pants, go out for a run, start exercising. Man, I'm feeling better, much better already. I will crush this day. Alright, 7.5 kilometers, 45 minutes, same as last week. Now, let's get some weights going in. Alright, got some weights moving in. Swam the usual 2,500 meters. It's a pity that I can't film the swim because it's a public swimming hall. However, in the summer, when I get to swim in the lakes and sea, I will get some footage of my swimming. I'm feeling great as man can be. Won my inner beach today. Feels good, man. Alright, I got back home. I've only eaten banana and yogurt today, and it's 2:30 p.m. So let's make some lunch slash lunch. I don't know. This is some chicken. I got it from sale. So I'm going to fry this in a pan and put it in tortilla. I don't have anything else to put inside the tortilla, but that's fine. Fine for my broke student ass.
A little with chicken fried.
Cold water on a Tuesday afternoon. Alright, I got some chicken, some cheese, some mango habanero sauce. Alright, let's taste this bad boy. I mean, you just can't go wrong with tortilla and chicken.
The next day.
Alright, I have a 45-minute brief workout with 30 minutes of zone 2 biking and 15 minutes of zone 2 running. What a wonderful weather! Boom! 2.6 kilometers. Alright, today's training done. Today I had a great workout. The cycling is still really heavy for my legs. I think I may need to change my biking position. May need to check it with a professional. Good morning. Let's start cycling. Alright, so I have 45 minutes of zone 1 biking with plus 100 RPM cadence. Alright, did it, felt okay. Now swimming. Alright, 2.5 kilometer swim done. Now I'm taking the train to southern Finland. Gonna spend my weekend there. Let's go.
Mä en muista kumpi se oli, mutta joo, nyt se vasen oli. Joo. Tiedätkö sä?
Not good. It's not good.
The next day.
Is it too hot where you live? Is it too fucking cold where you live? Does it rain too much? Those are some real questions. Hey, ain't got time for some soft shit. Let's fucking go! To be honest, I hope it would rain much more. Alright, 1 hour run, 9.85 kilometers. Zone 2 felt good. I kinda hoped it would rain much more heavily, but I guess this had to do. Sorry about this.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not a Christmas.
10 kilometers, 1 hour. Carried some boats with my brother Otto, who's there. They don't know me, son.
Who's gonna carry the boats?
I skipped yesterday's training because I had food poisoning, hangover, food poisoning. But today I had a great run with my brother. Thanks for watching. St. Lego.